You know why you are here. Yes, for Discord Nitro. But before that, everyone gets free Nitro thanks to my videos, but only 4.4% of you have subscribed to my channel. This will get us nowhere. Let's do 12,500 this month. I will also urge to watch my all-in-one multipurpose SageBot video. It's very helpful if you want a high-quality bot that can do everything. All the orbs links will be in this video's description. Let's get started. My friend has received 2 weeks of Nitro trial for $0. Discord has posted about this in an article. It seems as though there's some Nitro offer until January 29th, 2026. Make sure to claim it. But it is possible that you didn't receive it, because even I have not received. But if you did, I will show you how to claim it. To claim this one, you will require payment method. Do not use fake payment methods. It is illegal even though it might be tempting. Now pick monthly since that is closest to 2 weeks. To be honest, even if you pick yearly, it would give you just 2 weeks Nitro. After you're done with that, you get 2 options. But if you do this on your phone Discord, you will be allowed to make the payment using your local methods too. After that step, here you will be asked to add your payment details. I will skip this part and click Get Nitro Monthly button in white color. Now your payment will get through at this stage, but it is also possible that you will receive a code in your phone that you will need to enter here for verification. After that, I have received my free Nitro, or my friend's the one that received it. After this, around $1 will be debited from your bank account. You'll be like, Pixie, didn't you say this Nitro was supposed to be free? Yes, I did, and this is called temp payment. Discord usually does it to check if your bank account has enough balance. After 1 day, you will get back your $1. If you didn't receive it, you can contact Discord Trust and Safety or your bank. It could take 5 business days at max for the money to get back to your bank. This 2 weeks of Nitro allows you to boost the server unlike Nitro Classic/Basic and that free 3 days Nitro from Orbs. Once the work is done, go to User Settings, click Subscription. Do you see the Cancel button next to Select Plan button? Click the Cancel button. This will keep the Nitro free. Otherwise, after this Nitro expires, you will be charged $10 monthly. By canceling the subscription, you have stopped the auto payment. Then go to Billings and delete payment method. They will ask your password. They will also ask your 2 authenticator code if you have that enabled. So that is it. Now, they won't charge you $10 once this trial is over, and you can enjoy your free Nitro. As I have mentioned earlier, Discord has also published an article around 15 hours ago. I will link this article in the video's description. You guys can take your time to read it. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.